What's up, guys? It's July 25th, 2024. Pretty nice day in the markets. It was really it was a range day. Leg counting worked well today. Cool looking bar on the daily chart. Bears got follow through with the gap. There's a rally right there. There's a hidden leg here. Bull leg. Daily chart, 45-minute chart. Bears kept the gap open now. We have 3 gaps open and follow through below the EMA. First time since April 15th, Bears have put multiple bars under the EMA. So something's definitely, we're going range bound now. We're selling off. Haven't sold this much all year. That's cool. Here's a 45-minute chart. Double bottom, but it's a bad double bottom. This is a bear bar. Bulls are going to need a strong reversal bar to, I think, make people actually believe this is a double bottom and not a bear flag double top that's selling off. Bears are testing the high of this bar on June 12th high. They already broke the wick. June 12th's close is 84 even. Today's closed. Wait, okay, hold on one more time. I always get confused when I do this. Okay, so June 12th close. What is the close of June 12th? The close of June 12th, 5-4. I'm making this way harder than it has to be a thing. And then today's low was 5-4-3-2.5. So the difference 5-point difference between the June 12th close and the low today. So there's still a gap open, a 5-point gap. That's what I was trying to figure out. I think I did that right. That's a 5-point gap from this breakout point to this low. So bulls definitely want to keep some sort of gap open, far away from the EMA. 3 consecutive bear bars, but this is more of a range bar breaking out with follow through. Do we go? Last time we were extended from the EMA, we went more sideways. That's around July. So this bar is this price action. So yeah, let's get into it. It's pretty cool. Gap down. Bar 1's a bear bar. Bar 2 is follow through. Bar 3 is a pullback. We have a second leg with bars 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So leg 1, pullback leg 2. I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to use this line so it looks a little cleaner. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Late in the bear trend, consecutive bear bars. That's a big bear bar on the 15-minute chart. That could be a form of exhaustion. That's 3 pushes down. Push 1, push 2, push 3. It's very steep. It's pretty bad. So this is an undershoot, where you can do 3 pushes like that with bar 72 from yesterday, 77, and then bar 9's low today. Bar 9, I didn't buy it, but it does look like a nice bar. It's hard to buy. I think that's pretty hard to buy after all this selling if you bought that for a real good job. You did buy it though. That kind of ties in. There was a conversation in the comments about gap bars. And what I was trying to say is there's 20 bars to the left of the moving average. Usually the first gap bar, the with trend traders will buy it in this case. And then on the 5-minute chart, there's 20 bars under the EMA. So bar 44 is the first gap bar. Bears are going to short this. So I thought that was interesting how on the 5-minute we had this set up, and on the daily we had the setup. But this is the bull version of the 20 gap bar. This is the bear version of the 20 gap bar. That's what I was trying to say yesterday. Maybe I fumbled my words. There is some talk about it. Anyways, so back to today. So that's what I'm trying to tie into this bull leg. Is because this was the first gap bar. So I think bulls wanted to rally back to the EMA, but this bar was so strong. Ended up testing the higher time from EMA, and we've been selling off. Bears finally got that second leg. What am I doing? Bears finally got a second leg down. So leg 1, deep pullback, leg 2. And there's a gap open here. So, Will, I hope you hear this because that's kind of what I was talking about in yesterday's video, but I get how it was confusing. I hope that clears things up. If you're hearing this, let me know in the comments if you still have questions about bar 44, right? That was the question. So yeah, good breakout here. Reversal breaking out above the EMA. I bought bar 12. I went for a measured move higher, 2R. It's a buy the close rally. I got filled. I think I got out on 18 though, because it was 4 bars without a pullback. I was worried about a second leg trap. So like 1 pullback, like 2 reversal didn't happen. Like 1 pullback, like 2 pullback, like 3 deep pullback. And bulls get another 3 legs. Like 1 pullback, like 2 pullback. This is a deep pullback, like 3. Like 1 pullback, like 2 pullback, like 3. Range bound. Then we get a new breakout, like 1 pullback, like 2 pullback, like 3. Each pullback's deep. Each third leg pullback is deeper. Why is that so skinny? I don't know. I used to have a thick line. Buy the close rally. Tails. No tails above the bars. So that's good. But we want to see minimal tails below the bull bars as well. Bulls are buying the close and the market's trending higher. So a trend bar is when the bar opens out slow and trends way higher for the bulls. And we see that multiple times here. So the markets are trending and gaps are staying open. The deep pullback, like 1 pullback, like 2 pullback, like 3. Really nice rally into resistance, being the higher time frame EMA. And it sells off. Strong bar. I got short here, but I hit out early because I wasn't too sure if this was going to be support and we go range bound. Whoa. I wasn't sure if that was going to happen. Bears got the reversal, so that's great if you caught that. Looks nasty on the daily chart. That's a like 1 pullback, like 2. Is it strong enough for like 3? Maybe. Do we go sideways? Maybe. I have to check out news. I don't want to be trading around the news time frame anymore. Yeah, so bears get their leg 1, pullback like 2, pullback like 3, deep pullback like 4. And you might be, if you're trying to count legs, so we can go leg 1, pullback like 2, pullback like 3. And we go sideways here. So here's a range. Breakout, very deep retest. And that creates another range here. This could be the range highs maybe. And what I'm trying to get at is there was another breakout here, but they only got 2 legs. Bears only got 2 legs. Like 1 deep pullback, like 2. Like 1. I don't know why that got so skinny for some reason. How do I just use this. Like 1 pullback, like 2. I counted that wrong. Like 1 pullback, like 2 pullback, leg 3 pullback, leg 4. And the way I counted that was I was looking at the highs being broken. So here's a high bar. So this is the low. Bar 49's pivot is the low, and then this high is broken 51, and then it goes down for another low to bar 53's low. Bar 54's high breaks this, so that's the start of the leg 3, and this goes all the way down to the bar 59 low, and this spike is broken by 61, so that's the start of the leg 1. What did I count? Leg 1 pullback, leg 2 trend line break, leg 3. Then we have a very big trend line break. The market's range bound, and then it retests the lows and breaks out again. I'm trying to get a little more accurate with my leg counting because it is very important. I was counting legs today, like 1 trend line break 15, like 2 trend line break 20, and then very deep pullback, and then we get another leg 1 trend line break, leg 2 trend line break here, leg 3 30 40 trend line break. So here breaks another trend line, and then a leg 4 reversal. Yeah, nice move today. A lot of range. Both sides made money, so that's great. Hope you guys are doing good. Thank you for the comments. Let me know what you guys think of these reviews. I try and keep them under 10 minutes because I know you guys are doing your studying on your own, and I hope you are doing your studying on your own at least. Use your stop loss. I'm trading pretty small right now, just trying to gain momentum back. I need to fix my momentum, and I'll just scale in when it makes sense. Still gunning for that payout. Almost 8 months later. Because if you've been following me since January 1st, I've been trying to get paid out. It is difficult. If you guys are getting paid out, let me know. Congratulations. I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.